Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add product tags in Squarespace. Product tags are essential for organizing your inventory and helping customers filter through your products more effectively, making their shopping experience much smoother. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log in to your Squarespace account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. If you manage multiple sites, you'll see them all listed here. From the dashboard, locate and click on the specific website where you want to add product tags. This will open up that site's editing environment, giving you access to all the tools and settings you need to manage your online store. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Products and Services to expand this section. Beneath it, you'll see several options, but for our purposes, click on Products. This will display a list of all the products currently in your store inventory. Browse through your product list and select the specific product you want to tag. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that product listing. You'll notice 3 dots which represent the Options menu. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down that appears, select Edit. This opens up the full product editor where you can modify various details about your item. In the product editor, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find different sections for editing your product information. Click on Organization. This section is specifically designed for categorizing and tagging your products, making them easier to manage and search. Within the Organization section, you'll see a field labeled Tags. This is where you'll input your product tags. Think of tags as keywords that describe your product, such as summer collection, sale items, or featured products. Type in your desired tag and press Enter on your keyboard. You can add multiple tags by repeating this process, and each tag will help customers find this product through filters and search functions on your site. Once you've finished adding all your product tags, look for the Save button and click it. This ensures all your changes are stored and will be reflected on your live site. Give it a moment to save properly before moving on to tagging other products. And that's it. You've successfully added product tags to your Squarespace store, making your inventory more organized and your customers' shopping experience more intuitive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.